Hey guys, it's nighttime and it's raining. It was raining. It's raining. Dixie saw flooded. All that stuff. See that it was raining really hard, but I can't take a video because my phone was charging. It was barely on 5%. I just mean 1%. So yeah, I didn't count time because it was about to die. So guys, flooded. Wow. I mean, that's so bright. Wow, man. Raining so hard. Last time it was raining so hard. Man. So hard. Look up the clouds. Looks kind of like, I don't have a flashlight or like a flashlight for my phone, guys. So, but it's like clouds. But see blue stuff and wet car. That's really wet because it's in the. You can see it's raining a little bit wet. Watch, so you could see.